In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of your image editing tools on Squarespace, a powerful platform for building and managing websites. Although these steps might seem straightforward, having a clear roadmap will enable you to enhance your visuals easily and effectively. Whether you're refining your online portfolio or adding a personal touch to your business website, mastering image editing in Squarespace is a valuable skill. Let's start by heading over to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so, as it's your gateway to accessing and personalizing your site. Once you're in, head straight to the website section. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to manage the aesthetics and functionality of each page. Next, focus your attention on the specific web page you want to edit. Click on the Edit button. By entering this mode, you unlock numerous possibilities to customize your site's appearance. Locate the image you intend to modify and click on it. A context menu will appear, providing various editing options for you. Click on Edit, and this is where you'll see the Design tab spring to life, housing all sorts of editing tools that can transform your images. Within the Design tab, you're offered several choices to customize your image's presentation. You can select from Fit, Fill, or Shape, each offering unique ways to display your image. Selecting Fit allows you to adjust the image so it fits within the boundaries of a specific area without cropping, maintaining its original aspect ratio. This option is ideal if you want to showcase the entire image, especially if details around the edges are crucial. Alternatively, choosing Fill will expand your image to cover the entire designated area. This might result in some cropping, but it's an excellent option if you want your image to cover background areas fully, providing a seamless and integrated look. Now, if you've got a more creative vision in mind, the Shape feature can be your go-to tool. This allows you to mold the image into specific shapes, adding a unique flair to your presentation. Play around with these options to see how each adjustment alters the overall aesthetic, and select the one that best serves your website's theme and message. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments and have perfected the look you are going for, make sure everything aligns well with your overall website aesthetic and functionality. Click Done to finalize your edits. This action saves your changes, ensuring your website reflects your enhanced imagery. By following these steps, you're not just enhancing images, you're enhancing user experience, making your website more visually appealing and better able to convey your message. Remember, the way you present visual content on your site can significantly impact how it's perceived by your audience. So take this opportunity to get creative and express your unique vision.